Today we are baking Portuguese pumpkin queijadas for Halloween. It serves 12 and takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes from start to finish. Let us make a cozy, spiced dessert that is vegetarian and perfect for fall. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups pumpkin puree, unsweetened and smooth. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. 1 cup ricotta cheese. 3 large eggs. 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1 teaspoon lemon zest. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. 2 sheets of store-bought shortcrust pastry, about 10 inches each. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar for dusting. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon for dusting. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius, and lightly butter a 12-cup muffin tin. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. On a lightly floured surface, gently roll each short crust sheet to an even thickness and cut out 12 rounds about 3 1/2 inches, or 9 centimeters, wide. Press the pastry rounds into the muffin cups without stretching, forming little shells. Chill the tray for 15 minutes to firm up. Cook the pumpkin puree in a saucepan over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring, until it is thicker and steamy. Let it cool for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, whisk together the sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and lemon zest until evenly combined. Add the pumpkin puree to the dry mixture and whisk until smooth and fully incorporated. Whisk in the ricotta until the batter looks creamy with no lumps. Whisk in the eggs one at a time for about 20 seconds each, until the batter is smooth. Pour in the melted butter and the vanilla, whisk to combine, then let the batter rest for 5 minutes to release air bubbles. Remove the chilled shells from the fridge. Spoon or pour the filling into each shell until about 3/4 full. Tap the tin gently to level. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius, for 22 to 25 minutes, until the centers are just set and the edges are lightly golden. If your oven has hot spots, rotate the pan after 12 minutes. Transfer the tin to a rack and let the queijadas cool in the tin for 10 minutes. Gently loosen the edges, lift the queijadas out, and cool on the rack for 30 minutes until just warm or room temperature. Dust the tops with powdered sugar and a light sprinkle of cinnamon for a festive Halloween touch. Plate the queijadas on a white dish and serve warm or at room temperature. The queijadas are ready to serve. Happy Halloween! If you enjoyed these Portuguese pumpkin queijadas, tap like, subscribe for more cozy bakes, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.